Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, and it's always good to have a backup plan. So I have a broken iPad, and a broken iPhone, and a stolen iPad that has never showed up or been recovered. But thank God I got this MacBook. And if I ever get up to Kathy's storage and get the other Mac out, she gets that Mac. Get the other Mac back, then I'll have another Mac and get my Mac fixed. So always have a backup plan. I pity the fool who don't have no backup plan. All right, here we go. Here's a bag. And this for those who say that I am not from the mighty Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. We have a shirt. This is my personal birthday shirt. And this is from unpronounced bit.ly/UGPAZ. I don't have to say that 3 times fast. But I'll be wearing this UGP Campus Apparel Underground Printing. They printed this underground. This is by Gildan. I watch Taco Stacks. He always talks about where the shirts come from. This is a 3X. And it do say, straight out of Pittsburgh. That's where I come from. Evil haters. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. The voice is going as usual. I'm talking too much. Some say I talk way too much. Excuse me. Have a great day and stay warm, dry, or safe, or all of the above if you can. And cool also. I keep forgetting cool. I'll choke it up. All right. It's very hot in here with the door closed, I want to tell you. And I'll be back with another Burgh unboxing video. Bye-bye for now.